Good morning, student. Myself here Singh from Jyotri Academy. Today we will discuss class 8 subject SST Geography chapter 2 Land, Soil and Water. Here we will discuss about the water. Water is a vital renewable resources and that is very important for us. Without water we cannot survive. Uh, in water, a very important gas oxygen is mixed, and water is made up of two gases, hydrogen and oxygen. And oxygen is very important for us. So, three-fourth of the Earth surface covered with water, and rest of the water have been mixed with salty and useful. So it is called a water planet. So this is also known as another name is water planet. Fresh water accounts for only 2.7%. Fresh water quantity is very less. Only 2.7% of the water is fresh water that is usable by the person. Nearly 70% of this occurs as ice sheet and glacier in Antarctica, and rest of the 70% of this is an iceberg or ice sheet and glacier in Antarctica it is present. So the water quantity is very less for the using, and rest of the salty and ice sheet will be present in our environment. So a problem of water availability, different types of problem is coming for the water related. There is scarcity of water in many regions of the world, and across the world water is very water presence is very less, and mostly water scarcity is present in our surrounding of the world. So most of the Africa, West Asia, South Asia, Mexico and USA, so different types different country of the world have been facing problem of the water scarcity. So water shortage may be consequence of variation in seasonal. Water shortage will be depend on the seasonal, and it will be depend on the time to time, the place to place. Thereafter, conservation of water resources. Clean and adequate water sources is a major problem facing the world today. Today, clean water, fresh water presence is very big problem. That's why different types of disease have been generated, and the people have been suffered many problems. So the government and other sources those have been provided for the cleanliness of the water, and all the things have been must provide to the people. That's why they have been not facing different types of problem. So most of different types of problem of water is different types of chemical mixing and different types of biodegradable uh, waste is present in the water, and harmful contents mix in the water, and those have been going to the human bodies through water, and that water create different types of disease, and this disease is very harmful. Water harvesting is a method to save surface runoff. If water level have been decreased day by day, thereafter different types of problem have been coming. So water harvesting is a method to save surface runoff. If water can be harvested and it will be preserved, thereafter water surface will be uh, increasing, and the different types of problem of water related have been decreased. Water used for irrigation field. Water presence is very important for the irrigation. Without water, the farming, agriculture and other have been not completed. So it is very important. Okay, thank you very much.